He was once in Jordan sitting on the the old guy in the show. In the forward, please subscribe. Hey, what's up, everybody? Sorry I didn't make an episode in a long time. I've just been doing, kind of busy stuff. Since the reason I've never been doing any other episodes. If you want to really hear the story, look at yours how it is. What should I do today in this episode? I have this PS1 controller. What should I... I'm just gonna play some games. And then okay, so... no, that idea got me thinking. Should I do a saloon on video games? No, I'll talk about the history of video games. Just about probably like 500 years old. No, the first video game was released on the Atari 2600. Man, I love it. I love that game so much. And I even remember playing it. But after all, I was probably, like 60 years old and my sick. Okay, here's a flashback. Yeah, that's some good Pac-Man. Yeah, Pac-Man. Yeah. Shut up, son. You're not my son. Shut up. Ooh, Space and Ghost Stars, yeah. Then it went up to the... Then it went up to the Atari 5200, which I never really cared for. Yeah. The Batman times 2. Batman times 2. Yeah, Batman times 2. No, son! Shut up! Yeah. Then it went back to the PS1 era. Final Fantasy 7, yeah! Yeah, using clown demos! Yeah! Hey, old guy, please, let me change it. Shut up! You're like 20 years old! You should be gone by now! But please, let me play with it. No! You're not playing any video game, okay? You're too old for that, okay? You should be done. You're like 50 years old. Shut up! And then it went back to the Xbox 360 / PS3 era. Call of Duty! Yeah! Call of Duty! Call of Duty! Call of Duty! Yeah! Kill Streak! How did you get there? You're supposed to be old. No! There you go. Here's the story of the history of video games. Rowan and Matt perspective. And if you didn't know who my son was in the background, he's like another character on Aaron's show. Goodbye, everybody. I so far like you so much. Tune in for another episode of the 412 Show. See you later.